O God, O God, help me always to remember that you have given me the most important task in the world, the task of making a home. Help me to remember this when I am tired of making beds, washing clothes, cooking meals, cleaning floors, mending clothes, and standing in shops. Help me to remember it when I am physically tired in body, and when I am weary in mind, with the same things which have to be done again and again, day in and day out. Help me never to be irritable, never to be impatient, never to be cross. Keep me always sweet. Help me to remember how much my husband and my children need me. And help me not to get annoyed when they take me for granted. And when they never seem to think of the extra work they sometimes cost me. Help me to make this home such that the family will always be eager to come back to it. And such that when the children grow up and go out to their own homes, they will have nothing but happy memories of the home which they have come. Through Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. Amen.